How many of you have tried fish along with mustard? Well, it's one of my most favorite dishes. I'm going to show you how to cook fish with mustard or mustard seeds. Beside cooking fish and mustard seeds, I'm going to cook Malabar spinach leaves. These all are Malabar spinach leaves, as you can see. Well, there are lots of leaves over here, Malabar spinach leaves. So I'm going to take half of them for today, and I will cook the rest of the half Malabar spinach later one. I will show you how to make some pakoras, or you can say how to make some snacks with these Malabar spinach leaves. Next time I will show that, so that's why rest of the 50% of I will just keep it. Well, washing them thoroughly definitely is a very good thing, whether it's green leafy or whether it's any kind of vegetables. As we know that pesticides are available, without any pesticides no vegetables nowadays almost hardly will find some vegetables, so you must wash it thoroughly. Once it is washed, then it's time to chop them. I usually use this same scissor for chopping almost every vegetables or for cutting fish. Well, there are different kinds of or different types of Malabar spinach. This is uh, this Malabar spinach has a very thin stem, and that's why I didn't bring that stem. I just took only the leaves. And there is one more kind of Malabar spinach, and their stem is very thick as well as very soft, and it is very good to eat. And I just find them eating very tasty, very yummy. But unfortunately, I didn't get that one. And well, by the way, I just brought this from my sister's home, and my sister had only this one, so I had to bring that one, this one only. Well, I have chopped finely, as you can see, and rest of this I will just store in the freeze, so that later on, maybe tomorrow, I will just make some snacks with this spinach leaves. Well, I will cut the fish now, and these are the fish which I'm going to cook with mustard seeds. That is yummy, just awesome. You must try this recipe or this dish in your home whenever it is possible. You would literally love eating this fish curry, and yeah, you must try once. Well, this is the scissor. As you have seen, I have chopped the Malabar spinach leaves, as well as I used to very often. If I bring any kind of fish in my home, I just use this spoon as well as this scissor. With the help of this scissor and spoon, I just clean the fish. I just cut the fish. Well, after cutting the fish, I have washed thoroughly, and look how neat and clean all the fish are over here. I just made pieces only one fish, and rest of the fishes are like that only. I didn't make them into pieces because the two fish, these bigger, these two bigger fish, I'm going to uh, cook them with mustard, and rest of the fish I will cook them with Malabar spinach leaves. Well, so for the marination, turmeric powder, salt, just enough. Give it a good mix. And yeah, because these fish are actually bigger, it doesn't seem like that, but yeah, actually it is bigger. Both of the fish, or all of the fish, were bigger in size. So if you do not marinate, or if you do not mix them turmeric or salt, then it will not be tasty. Well, this is the pan made with clay, or made with soil, you can say, or made with mud. I just love to fry fish or anything. If it is required to fry anything, I just use this one. They don't have this kind of clay pots, or clay utensils don't have any kind of bad side effects. So I usually use this kind of utensils in my home as much as it's possible for me. Well, the parts of the fish, this size fish, it's already, you can say, I have fried them. Now it's time to fry the rest of the two and not two, it's three bigger fishes. Use oil according to your health condition, or according to your choice. As this fish are big, so I just have put some extra oil. Maybe it's not that much healthy, but still, yeah, just to fry the fish, I had to put this much oil. I literally do not like to eat this kind of oily food or something like that. Look at the size of the fish. The fish even is not fixing in the pan. The pan is actually big, but the fish is the bigger one. That's why it's not finishing there. Well, all the fish have been fried well. is the main part of this dish. After frying the fish, now I'm just making a paste, and the paste which to make the paste the ingredients are this mustard seeds and some green chili you have to use. Then give them a very good uh, yeah, you have to give them, you have to make them a good paste. Now this is the pan. As I said you, I just love using clay pots or clay or utensils which are made with clay. So this pan is one of my most favorite pan. In the hot oil, I just given some mustard seeds, a bay leaf, and the paste, mustard paste. Using some turmeric, the very basic spices, little turmeric and little salt. Salt actually according to taste. Now give them a mix. See how nicely the color will change into yellow. Gradually it will be very yellow and very good color. I'm putting some water. Keep the flame high while you are cooking like this. Yeah, the water should be boiled like that way only. Now this is the perfect time to keep the fish in the pan. The fish was so big that they were not actually fixing inside of the pan. Well, the both of the fishes I have just put. Actually, I had to cut the two fishes into pieces. That could be good because the fishes are not fixing inside of the pan. I was just trying harder to fix the fish tail. It's almost done, as you can see. At the end, putting some green chili, which will increase the taste, also which will fulfill the demand of chili. Well, now it's time to cook Malabar spinach. On the hot oil, some cumin seeds, garlic cloves, green chili, and fish. Give them a good mix, but careful, otherwise the fish will break into pieces, and that's my destiny. I just love green leaves. Well, after mixing, we'll cover for a while. Now opening the pan, look how they are looking. Almost the leaves got boiled. Finally, the Malabar spinach curry with fish is ready. Do let us know in the comment section how was to curries today. Well, this is the plate made with clay. Now I'm going to eat.